Have you ever walked to a new place and felt that you had been there before? The sound, the smell, and the angle of light seems familiar, and you say that, oh, I have remembered this place. It's where deja vu sparks, the sensation that you have seen this place before. Psychologist says that it's due to brain's activity in which our brain's part which is associated with familiarity, which is temporal lobe, activates before the part that actually remembers our memories, hippocampus, and leads to a glitch in memory system, leads to the sensation or the feeling that, oh, I have remembered this place, I have been to this place before as well. Or, in other words, it says that I recognize this place before checking if it really does. Another theory says that it's due to brain electrical misfire, which happens just for a moment and harmless but leads you to this feeling. So, according to these theories and explanations, deja vu is not due to past life and it is not the message from another universe, but it's due to a glitch in memory system which happens for a moment but leads you to the feeling of deja vu.